Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to check Fiverr's community forum for other discussions. So the first thing you have to do is to go into your web page, your profile page, and you would see the help and resources section here. All you have to do is to click on it, and then you would see this menu below: help center, for Fiverr forum, Fiverr blog, ask the community, contact support. Now you can click on the Fiverr forum, and if you need help you can click on the help center. So once you're in the community section, you can just choose the forum page here for discussions. You can also go choose the club and contents for more, and if you want more you can also click on the more section here. So this is how to actually just go to the community forum on Fiverr for more discussions with other freelancers like yourself. So I can click on the forum section here, and here everyone gets to post or talk about uh, a particular event or something on Fiverr. So you guys, you can explore it and let me know what you think about it. I will see you guys in the next one.